Hello everyone, welcome back to Kimates. Today we are discussing about the topic the major regions of atmosphere. Atmosphere is the protective cover of gases that surrounds the earth. It sustains life on earth by protecting it from the hostile environment of outer space. There are 5 concentric layers within the atmosphere which can be differentiated on the basis of temperature and other characteristics. These are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Firstly, troposphere. It is the lowest layer of the atmosphere which extends up to 8 kilometers at the poles and 18 kilometers at the equator. Its temperature decreases with height. It contains 80 to 90% of the mass of atmosphere. The major gases present are nitrogen and oxygen, some argon as well as carbon dioxide, and some traces of helium, neon, etc. are present in the troposphere. The living organism exists in the troposphere. It is a turbulent region having strong air movements and formation of clouds. The second layer of atmosphere is called stratosphere. The region above the troposphere extending up to 50 km above the sea level is called the stratosphere. Its temperature ranges from minus 55 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. It contains nitrogen, oxygen, ozone, etc. The presence of ozone in the stratosphere protects the earth from the harmful UV rays. It is due to this absorption of UV rays that it gets warmer with increasing distance from the earth. The next layer of atmosphere is mesosphere. The region above the stratosphere between 50 km and 80 km is called mesosphere. It contains nitrogen, oxygen, ozone, etc. Its temperature is very low and drops to minus 100 degrees Celsius. The fourth layer of atmosphere is called thermosphere. The layer above mesosphere is called thermosphere. The high energy X-rays and UV rays are absorbed in the thermosphere, raising its temperature to hundreds or thousands of degrees Celsius. It extends up to a height of 500 km from 80 km. The thermosphere is completely cloudless and free of water vapor. Non-hydrometeorological phenomena such as auroras are occasionally seen in the thermosphere. The International Space Station exists in the thermosphere between 320 and 450 km. The exosphere is the uppermost layer of atmosphere. It extends up to 1600 km and gradually merges to the outer space. It contains atomic particles of hydrogen and helium. It has a very high temperature due to solar energy. These are the major layers of atmosphere, that is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. Another layer of atmosphere is called ionosphere. It is the region of the atmosphere is ionized by solar radiations. It contains ionized gas molecules, atoms and electrons. This layer protects the earth from cosmic rays. The ionosphere is not a distinct layer. During daytime hours, it stretches from 50 km to 1000 km and includes the mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. The ionosphere is responsible for auroras. However, the ionization in the mesosphere is largely ceases during the night So auroras will normally seen in the thermosphere and the exosphere. It enables radio propagation in the earth. That is, the particle reflect the radio waves signaled from earth and back to the earth and enables the transmission of radio messages around the world. This is all about the layers of atmosphere.